And that doesn't happen all the time with variable annuities. So some of them have really high fees, or you can enjoy it and turn it into income. So not bad. I mean, he could have made more in the market, but he's still good. He made some money. What a great place. What a great place just to hang out in the winter, right? Hey guys, John Stevenson here, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Thank you for tuning in. I am walking through the woods, enjoying some powder, sinking down sometimes to my groin because you walk through here and you do not know where the holes are. But I wanted to talk to you about someone I just spoke with yesterday. He has a variable annuity and it's grown very well for him, by the way, very well. I think it's doubled. And it's like $1.75 million. I think he told me he started out with like $750. So he's made like $1 million. So not bad. I mean, he could have made more in the market, but he's still good. He made some money. And that doesn't happen all the time with variable annuities. So some of them have really high fees. Anyways, I wanted to share this with you because of the income that he's guaranteed with this versus another annuity that I was showing him. So the guarantee was, let me look here, $88,000 per year as a single payment for him for the rest of his life, okay? And I was showing him one that was giving him $170,000. Yeah, I know. $170,000, okay? And then if he did a joint, it's $151,000. And this was from Corebridge Financial. Yeah, mic drop, right? So he could keep his money with the variable, for sure. He could take the income for sure, and the account balance might run down slower, or it might run down faster if the market goes down. Or maybe he'll get phenomenal returns that won't run down. There's a lot of hypotheticals in there. He's not interested in that. He's interested in guaranteed income. And so that's why he reached out to me, because he's like, oh, I'm getting $88,000 guaranteed from this, so I just want to have something set up and forget it. So I was like, all right, well, we looked through all the annuities and we looked at like 20, and the top one was paying him, it will double, $170,000. And then if he does a joint, $151,000. He is not sure whether or not he wants to do joint or single. He's going to decide that later. But he just wants to know if he can lock in this rate for himself, which he can. And so we're talking about that. And I wanted to share this because typically when you do investments, and you're talking to advisors who are telling you to take 4% out as a safe withdrawal, you can look at this account and say, all right, well, let's just say $2 million, make the math easier. And let's say the safe withdrawal is 5%. Well, he's going to pull out $100,000 versus turning into a lifetime income product that pays him double that. So he's getting like 8% withdrawal. And I say a safe withdrawal because it's guaranteed. It's contractual. It will never, ever, ever go down. So that's why he's doing it. Anyways, that may be different for you. Maybe you're thinking, well, I'll just leave that in the market and get some more growth. Great, you can do that. Or you can enjoy it and turn it into income. I'm not here to try to sell you on whether you should have a variable or a fixed product. But what I would recommend is kind of look at your assets and decide which portion of those assets do you want to be focused on growth. And then which ones you don't want to be focused on growth. Which ones you just want to use for lifetime income, things that are contractual. And just use that. So that's not all his funds. I mean, he's using that, which is a decent amount. In fact, he's doing that. And then we were looking at something else to add, like make his income up, I want to say $180,000 a year, because his wife has some more funds in her TIAA account. So they're looking at that too, to see about adding some more income. And then they got a bunch of other money and other assets as well. Oops. Well, I sunk down pretty good. About twice as deep as where I just stepped down from. But you never know. When you're walking around here, you just never know where you're going to step in. I kind of look around and I try to figure out, is that a creek I'm about to walk through or not? I'm just walking through here and I noticed there is a cabin. See that? Nice, beautiful wooden cabin somewhere. What a great place. What a great place just to hang out in the winter, right? All right, well, hope you enjoy the channel. If you do, like, subscribe. Comment below if you got questions, and if you want to buy an annuity through me, book a call below this video. There's a link, and there's also a link on my website, johnstevenson.com, and you're certainly welcome to search annuities for yourself and see if they work out in your favor. And if they do and you want to chat with me, then go ahead and book a call. I'd love to help you. So anyways, I do try to be transparent, try to show everything that's there, And commissions are all over the place on these, but that's not important. I mean, it is important, but it's not as important as you finding what you want and what's best for you. So anyways, I hope that sincerity is felt. And I hope that you can see that there is transparency here as well. And then, if you feel comfortable, then reach out and we'll chat some more. So, all right, well, enjoy the rest of the videos in the channel. If you got other questions, reach out to me. Happy to help. I really do appreciate you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.